All right. So, I guess hello. In the previous session, I guess this video was not recorded, so I'll repeat it. So we have an option, or we are at this page as of now, where I am in menu.jsp. What is menu.jsp doing? It is displaying me the menu items. Correct? It is displaying me the menu items. And now for each menu item, maybe assume that I want to order one particular item. I want to select it. Usually when you see an application, you will see there will be a button called as add to cart. You will have add to cart for every item. So there is add to cart for every item. Now, when I say, assume that these menu items have some ID for them. There will be a name of this item, image, every detail you will be displaying. ID is also there. So let's assume for this item the ID is 2, for this item the ID is 6, for this item the ID is 9. I am going to say I want to add this item to cart. When I click on add to cart for this item, see, basically till now whatever we are doing, we were trying to add the item into the table directly. Whenever I try to add or whatever, I was trying to add it directly to the table. But here I will say I don't want to add it to a table. Rather, I am going to have a map created. I will have a map. So tell me, when I say a map, what will the details have? What will the map details have? What will the map have? Sir, it will have a key value pair, sir. Map will have a key value pair. Yes or no? So, key value pair, whatever I have. In this, I will say, as soon as I click here, based on this ID, can you tell me, can I create an object? Menu object can I get? Based on the ID, if I say it as add to cart, I will take this ID, go to the database, bring the data related to this menu ID too. In menu DAO implementation, we already have a method called as fetch based on ID, menu ID. So I will bring all the details. I will create an object. What all will be there in this object, sir? I will have a item name, then item price, then quantity, then description, any other information that you want. In the order table, whatever you want, all that you can keep here. Sir, one more information I need, sir. Menu ID. Menu ID, will you agree it is unique for every menu item? Idli, if I say, there is one hotel in which I have added idli. Will it repeat for any other hotel? No, sir. Idli may be there, but that ID will be different. So that menu ID, I will add it here. The menu ID for this particular item is 2. So I will add it as 2 here. Whenever the user says add to cart, this is what you are supposed to do. I hope you understand this. Now just imagine already there is item available in the cart where quantity I have told it as 1. The user will again come back. Again he will click on add to cart. Which means now one more item I want to add. So I will go back here. Again the same object I will recreate. I'll recreate the same object, ID2 again I will write. Tell me, can I write it like this? Is it permitted in your map that in your map you can have key as duplicates? Keys are never duplicates in map, will you agree with me? If keys are not duplicates, then what should I do? Sir, instead of directly adding it here, one thing you need to do is as soon as you get this ID number 2, as soon as you get this item and ID number 2, you need to check in the map. Maybe I will call this map as cart. In this cart, does it contains a key? You know a method for maps, cart dot contains key method, you know it? Hello? In the maps you would have learnt it. Contains key method. I will say contains key of 2. Does it contain? Since it is containing, I will say, boss, add method, don't add. Rather, take the old quantity. What is this? It is a value related to a key. How will you get this? Cart dot get of 2, if you say, you will get this. You will get the entire object. In this object you need to get the quantity. Take this old quantity, take this new quantity, add both of them. Take the old quantity, take the new quantity, add both of them. That is what is your add method. One thing, it should first check. If data is not there, simply add. If already data is there, then you need to get the old quantity, add it with the new quantity. I hope you understand this. In the same way, sir. So, if I now have to tell you, I need one class called as the cart, one more class called as cart item. In cart item, all this details, whatever I want, I will have. Looking at that class, I will create one object. In the cart, what will I do, sir? What will I do in the cart, sir? In the cart, I will perform 3 operations. Adding item to a cart or adding item to a map. Then update a map. Why do I want quantity? I want to update. And also remove item from a map. Remove item from a map. Add to map, update map, remove item from map. These are the 3 things that I should be doing in the cart class. I hope you are able to understand this. So if you ask me cart and cart item, it is nothing related to JDBC nor J2EE. It is a simple map that I will be altering. So for your reference, what I will do is, I will take up one program and I will just show it to you here so that you can refer to it. I guess I'm not sure where did I create it previously. Any idea in which class I had put it that day? So here it is nothing related to JDBC again, I am trying to tell you, nor J2EE. It is just a detail about how you are putting your code inside it, that's all. Inside a map. How will you deal with a map? So I am not able to get it. Let me create one here. SRC main. Alright, so let me create one class for cart and another class for cart items. I'll share it. So cart and cart items. Just give me a minute, I'll share it. Right. So I don't have a complete full-fledged project, so it may give me some errors because some files or some classes it may not be able to find, but this is what I want to do here. So look at this, it is just a cart item class, which is having few variables, setters and getters, constructor, toString method, all that is what it has. Then on the other hand, if you see, I have a class called as the cart class, in which I have created a map reference. Then I am creating a map object within the cart constructor. There is a add item method, update item method, remove item and get all items, right. So this is what it is. I just want you to go through this code once to see if there is any doubt that you will have, right, because the code is mostly related to your collections. There is nothing related to JDBC here nor your J2EE. So I just want you to read through this, go through this. If you get some doubt, you can do let me know. Right. So see here, there is a map which has got created. For that map, I will create a map object, assign it. Then I am saying, when I say add item, I will get a cart item. See again, I am trying to tell you, if this have to work, I need a servlet. I am not talking about the servlet yet. This is mostly like your DAO implementation class. Yes or no? If you see user DAO implementation, if your user DAO implementation should work, you need a user servlet. So user servlet I did not write. In the same way, this you can imagine as cart DAO implementation. For that cart servlet should be there, I will tell you when to write the cart servlet. But for now, I just want you to finish this much, right? So try it. I'll just come down.